Hi guys, so this video, this subscribers has subscribed me, so I will give me a fruit. This I asking him if she's subscribed, is if he subscribed me, and he said yes, please. This time, look at this. It's very low for you guys. He said yes at this time. So I will give it a fruit, guys. So subscribe if you want the fruit and comment your user if you want the Buddha worms like that. I'll give you guys. Here I will sit now and give you a worm love because that is done in this film. And here you go. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, game passes, subscribe me and comment your user. And join my Discord.